The Facebook blog can be used to promote or display the Facebook presence of an organization or business on the user's website. This further helps in increasing the social influence and traffic on your website and also builds trust among your visitors. Whereas, if you are looking to demonstrate your brand's presence on Pinterest via your website, then the Pinterest blog is for you. The Pinterest blog allows you to display your Pinterest boards, pins, or user feed on your website without having to redirect to another page. In this video, I will show you how to add Facebook and Pinterest feed in Sidebar step by step. Let's get started. Please note that you will need to install and activate the Rishi companion plugin in order to use the Facebook and Pinterest blog. From your WordPress admin dashboard, go to Appearance and click on Widgets. Inside the Sidebar drop-down, this is the sidebar, and if you click on this drop-down arrow, here is the Sidebar drop-down option. You have to click on the Add Block icon. Then search for Rishi Facebook. It is already displaying here, but if it does not display immediately, you can search for Rishi Facebook blog from the search bar. Simply type in Facebook, which will then display the Facebook blog. Now click on it. The Facebook blog is now added to the sidebar, which you can further configure via the provided settings on the right-hand side. First, you can change the title. Just remove the title, then add in the title of your choice. Here, you have to enter your Facebook page URL. Just copy and paste the link inside of this field. And you can see the changes accordingly. From under tabs, you can choose to either display the timeline or message box. I'm going to select timeline. From width, you can set the width of the Facebook blog in pixels. You can increase or decrease it with the help of this button. Similarly, you can set the height of the Facebook blog in pixels from here. If you wish to reset the changes made, you can click on the Reset button. Next, you can enable or disable the cover photo. Then, you can enable or disable the small header option. If you enable this option, it will reduce the Facebook page header space and remove the share option. After you are done with the changes, click on Update. Now let's go to our site in the front end, and this is the blog page. It has the sidebar. Let's give our blog page a refresh. And here is the Facebook blog that we added to the sidebar. Let's go back. Now, let's see how to add the Pinterest blog. Similar to Facebook blog, click on Add Block icon. Search for Rishi Pinterest. Simply type in Pinterest inside of the search field box. You have to select Rishi Pinterest blog and click on it. This will add the blog to your sidebar, and you can further configure the blog with the help of the settings on the right-hand side. First of all, you have to enter the URL of the Pinterest board or pin or user feed that you want to display. Now click on Embed button, which will immediately make the changes. Furthermore, if you want to change the title of the Pinterest blog, you can do that from here. Remove the title that is already here Then add in the title of your choice. Click on Update to save the changes. Now let's go back to our site once again and we will give it a refresh. And here is the Rishi Pinterest blog that we added on our sidebar. If you have any questions or confusions, please do let me know in the comment section below, or you can directly reach out to our support team. I have added the link to creating support ticket in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in our next video.